That's USA. What should they are? They're going to know.
Welcome to Job Connection. Heartland Health Laboratories in Lenexa is hiring mobile phlebotomists. Sign-on bonus and paid mileage. Apply at Heartland Health Laboratories Inc.easyapply.co. Cardinal Logistics is looking for experienced Class A CDL drivers out of KC for dedicated regional routes. Great benefits and home time. Apply at DriveCardinalLogistics.com. 7th Street Casinos hiring cooks, housekeeping, security officers, players, club reps, cashiers, and more. Apply at 7th-StreetCasino.com/careers. Look for Job Connection at KCTBuy.com.
With summer here, it feels like connecting with friends and family is more important than ever. But as we gather, please remember, COVID isn't over yet. A new, more contagious strain of COVID is rapidly spreading in neighboring states. The best way to stay healthy is to get vaccinated today. If you choose not to be vaccinated, please be responsible around others. And if you feel sick, get tested. Have a safe and healthy summer.
Time is valuable, so would you rather spend it cleaning the gutters or chilling around the grill? With K-Guard, protect with better